Hey, this is Taylor at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Ford F-550 extended cab 4x4 6.7 diesel, 181,000 miles on it. It's got an 11-foot Knapheid service bed, 5521 Stellar crane, multiple drawer sets, hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers. Really well-equipped truck here. Was a one owner from a fleet company, and all around it really is in great shape. All the equipment works as it should. Towards the end of the demo video, we'll do a cold start, a crane demo, compressor demo, run through all the equipment. So if that's what you're wanting, feel free to skip ahead to that. The goal of these videos is to show you everything about the truck that you'd want to see if you were here looking at it in person. So I'm going to go through and do a pretty thorough cosmetic walk around on it first. If there's anything that you need more close-up pictures, videos, or information on, feel free to call or text anytime at 804-716-8487. Obviously, the interior is very clean on this truck. Factory exhaust brake, four-wheel drive. There's your factory body controller there for the crane, compressor, and all the work lights. Power locks, power windows, and cruise control. The truck comes with one set of keys, actually two sets of keys for the work body, and one key fob for the truck. There's your factory Stellar remote with a rechargeable mounting station right there. Rear seats, as you saw, are in good shape as well. Cab of the truck's pretty clean. No real areas to point out on it that I see so far. I'm looking for chips, dents, scratches, anything you'd want to look at if you were here. So if I see anything, I'll point it out. But so far, I don't really see anything worth mentioning. These tires are not new, but they have plenty of tread life on them. The steers, very good shape, nice and dry underneath. In a minute here, I'll drop down underneath the truck and we'll take a look at the undercarriage as well, get kind of a complete picture of that. Obviously, it has the rubber floors, the vinyl seats for easy cleanup, kind of standard fare in the XL series Fords. Laptop mount there. All your upfitter switches up top. That I can tell, those are not wired to anything. Everything's wired directly to that Stellar body controller module. I'll get down underneath the truck in the back too in a little bit. I'm just gonna kind of go step by step, work on the front first. So as you can see, the chassis, the undercarriage, nice and dry. That condensation there is just from AC. I already did the drive and crane demo before I recorded this, so there's the AC was running in the truck. It is a factory paint finish on this bed. We did not have it repainted. There are some minor flaws, but overall, extremely clean. You see on the front here, just areas where the paint fails on the hinges, which is pretty common on these Knapheid beds. One thing to note, I have ordered new lock cylinders that match the other ones. I think there's 3 missing, so those are slated to come in on Monday. They will be on this truck. Today's Friday. Bin floors are nice and clean. This is your first compartment here. It's a torch cabinet with your straps. It's a shot of the body tag. A nice full set of CTech drawers on this side. As you would expect with CTech, all the drawers, this has got some felt on top. All the drawers slide and latch as they should. Really well built service box, work bins. I like those drawers quite a bit. Got an opening right here for wheel chocks. Again, matching tires in the rear as well, not new, but plenty of tread life left on them. See the bed's nice and dry, frame rails are nice and dry all the way down. I'll show it a little later on in the video because they're off right now, but there are, it might not be on this side, it might be right here. There are LED light strips in the majority of these bins as well, that are controlled by that inside panel. So another clean bin here. Little chip right there on the body, and again on the hinges. I mean, nothing too major, but just want to point it out there. Little area right here, paint failure. We have a little exterior kind of cosmetic rust going on there along this door. Here's a shot of the load chart here. It's a 5521, 5,000 pound maximum lifting capacity, 21 foot max boom reach. You have your hose reel, hydraulic tool circuit, controls for the outriggers. And then this is an extra shot down here. Looks like it's bolted in. I just wanted to show underneath of it. Here, go down here. That's just some grease right there. Just want to show the bin floors are solid. This is some surface rust here on the bottom. Up underneath the truck there. Obviously you have this workbench or a bumper here. Pass-through bin. Good spot for pry bars, rods, stuff like that. Hydraulic outriggers, the crane side hydraulically extends. Both sides are hydraulic up and down. You have a mount right here for a vise. There's no vise on it currently. Factory tow hitch receiver. Factory tie downs in the bed. That's a retractable hard shell cover. It'll come all the way back, close and latch here for extra dry storage. If you don't like that, you could remove it. It's pretty easy to remove. This is a master lock. If you push it down and throw a lock in there, it'll just lock all the bins in one swoop, which is pretty nice if you don't want to individually lock each one. There's a small set of CTech drawers, tons of dividers. Obviously it comes with all these extra dividers as well. There's one more drawer pack in the truck on the driver front compartment, which we'll get to. It's just surface rust here, and then a little bit there in that corner, as you can see. So big compartment here, you have the shelving on this side, and another full set of CTech drawers on this side. You have your heavy-duty inverter up here. Great spot for a recharging station to put all your cordless tool battery chargers up there. Run it right off that inverter. Your air tank. All right, that's about it for the walk around. Again, if you need any more close-up pictures, videos, information, call or text 804-716-8487 anytime. We'll get into a cold start, a drive, crane and compressor demo, and that'll be it. Thanks again for watching. Gonna give it a cold start here and do the drive on it real quick. Just wanted to mention that this is all that we buy and sell. So if you're looking for something similar, feel free to give us a shout. We have many different makes, models, configurations, crane sizes available. We always have more trucks coming in on a daily basis. So if we don't have what you're looking for right now, let us know, because most likely we have it on the way in, or we can find it for you. AC is already blowing nice and cold. It is hot outside today. As you would expect, July in Virginia, it's going to be on the warm side. Let's see what the turning radius is like in this. Not going to make that turn. Steering's nice and tight. Does have a functioning rear view camera. Not the clearest pictures you can see, but it gets the job done, and it is nice to have. Showing 6,885 engine hours, 152 hours on the compressor. You have your Stellar factory upfitter control unit there. Obviously 4-wheel drive, factory exhaust brake, and then all your upfitter switches are up here. Great tread on the front steers, nice and dry on the undercarriage. This box controls all your workbed lighting as well as the PTO, the compressor. So main power on there, you have the strobes, compartment lights, and left and right hand floodlights. We'll go take a look at those real quick. The strobe on this side works. This is the only light that does not work, the driver's side light. It's hard to tell because it's so bright outside right now, but you do have LED strip lighting in all the compartments. So there's the driver front with your shelving, your CTech drawers. Here's your wheel well driver compartment, another LED light strip there. Driver's side rear compartment, LED light strip there. The rear light right there. Rear light right there. LED light strip here. In the crane compartment. LED light strip here. In here. Hard to see it. And none in the torch compartment. It's a strobe and a side light again. Kick on the compressor, or the PTO, I mean. PTO's engaged. Factory Stellar remote. It's a rechargeable mounting station here. Your diverter switch up here. You have a tool circuit, crane, and then compressor. Right now it's on crane. Go up to compressor. You have obviously a hose reel here. Air regulator. Here's your function for the outriggers down here. Crane side extends hydraulically. The non-crane side is non-extending. The remote's proportional. You have a trigger function on it so you can control how fast or how slow the boom moves. You select your function first and then you hold the trigger. This is wide open as it is right now. It's got the open hook on the top where it attaches, so it'll slide right off. No need to unhook it manually. It's a 5,000 pound maximum lifting capacity and a 21-foot max boom reach. As far as it goes. On the passenger side, it'll swing all the way around, or on the driver's side, I mean, it'll swing all the way around the passenger side. Again, this is full speed, pretty quick operation on the crane. Nice and quick winch operation as well. And it's a 2-stage hydraulic extension. So no manual pin pull out, it'll extend all the way on its own. Again, it's a max reach of 21 feet when it's fully extended. Really go slow, ease it in, or you can let it rip. Winch is very quick. No slop in the rotation gear. All the valves are in good shape. Really a nice, tight, clean crane, smooth operation. When you're done, you can shut the truck off from the remote. Turn it right back on, the PTO comes on as well. Pretty nice feature. Hey, thank you again for watching. Again, it's a 2017 Ford F-550, 6.7 power stroke, 4-wheel drive, 181,000 miles, 5521 Stellar crane on it. Air compressor, multiple drawer sets, really nice truck all the way around. It is 4-wheel drive. If you have any questions or want any additional pictures, videos, or information, feel free to call or text anytime at 804-716-8487. Again, this is all we buy and sell. You can see the lineup we have here. If you're looking for something similar or set up a little bit different, give us a shout, 804-716-8487. We have new trucks on the way in on a daily basis. Let us know what we can find for you. Thanks again for watching.